My name is Jim Hill, and I'm part of our data and business intelligence team here at JourneyTEAM. Power BI is an awesome product, and it keeps growing. Every month, Microsoft is adding new features and capabilities, way more than I can highlight here today, but I'm going to highlight a few of those that I think will be beneficial to you. So the first update I want to talk about is a change to the visualization pane. This went into preview a few months ago, but now is in general availability. So if you update your version of Power BI on your desktop, you'll start seeing these changes to the visualization pane. So what you're going to see is two different new submenus. The one on the left here is showing the visual submenu, and the one on the right shows the general submenu. What they've done is made an attempt to kind of standardize across visualizations where you find things. It allows for a little less scrolling. It also puts things in a more consistent place and hopefully creates where you have to do less clicking. So that's the new visualization pane. The next thing I want to highlight is goals. Goals is a feature that was introduced a few quarters back. It's only available up on the Power BI service. There's an actual menu item for goals. And this is something that allows you to create individual or team goals that can be tracked. Some of the new features are a tie-in to team notifications. So an example is if you have a new person assigned to a goal, they'll get a notification in Teams. Or if a status of one of your goals changes, that notification will come out to you as well. Another nice feature that they've added to goals is the ability to have more than one owner on a goal. So if you have multiple people working on something, they'll all get notified. And then you also have the new capability. You can create a scorecard using goals in your own My Workspace. So it doesn't have to be done in the managed workspaces. You can experiment with this in your own My Workspace. All right. Another really cool new feature is the ability to optimize your layout for mobile. The mobile view layout is a cool feature in Power BI. It lets you grab any of the visuals and arrange them on a page. In the past, you had very little flexibility other than where you put it on the layout and how big you made it. Now, as you can see, they've added a visualization customization on the right. So when you select a visual, you can change fonts, size, color, the way it's aligned. You can also change effects or headers, a variety of different things. Really powerful. And you'll notice there's a new little icon there in the visualization for the mobile layout that lets you turn it on or off in case you want to clear the customizations and just take the ones that came in from the desktop layout. There's a handful of other good ones I want to just briefly highlight. The first one is there is an update to the Azure map visual. It no longer needs to have a longitude and latitude. Now, this is a preview feature, so you'll have to go into preview to turn this on, but it allows you to use regular address pieces to land things on your visualization, your map. The multi-card selector now has the ability to click on elements in that card and have them filter or cross-highlight other visuals in your page. So that's a nice feature. Tooltips have been added to certain attributes or certain visualizations like the matrix, the line, the area charts. What this means is when you hover over something that has a tooltip, it'll pop up the tooltip values, but also the ability to drill down and drill through right off of the tooltip. Nice feature. Label updates have also been applied. This is where you can put in sensitivity statuses on your objects in your workspace. So if it's confidential, for example, they've added inheritance. So all of the things in the lineage will also show that at sensitivity level. And then the last thing I wanted to highlight is error bars. On certain charts, especially the line charts in the past, you could add a fixed goal line at a certain value. You could put in a trend line, but you really couldn't add other custom lines. They've added the capability through the farthest menu on the right in that in the visualization pane. You can get to this error bars. It's a preview feature you'll have to turn on as well. It will be general availability soon, I believe. But this gives you the ability, especially people who build control charts, they'll be able to add these custom lines that reflect a measure you've created. So if you want to put in standard deviation ranges on your control charts, this is how you do it.
Business Central.
All right, so what we did is we now offer at JourneyTEAM what we call a Business Central reporting package. And what that allows you to do is we can connect now to your Business Central instance. We can go in and grab all of that data. What it has first is a core data model. We spent over 1,000 hours implementing this. And it now allows us to go in and at a fixed rate, pull in your data into Power BI. Business Central has reporting. It's very stagnant. You aren't allowed to drill through and find out the problems and anomalies that are happening in your data. And now with this reporting package, you can go in, integrate it into Power BI, and you can now find the anomalies and problems with interactive reports that are coming through in the Power BI. And on the basic, with this reporting package, we've included basic reports, such as balance sheet, income statement, trial balance. We have some, and we can show the slides, yeah. You can see these basic reporting reports that come with this reporting package. And this is just scratching the surface. The best thing that comes with this reporting package is the ability to have all of your data flow into Business Central. And that allows you to go in and you can create your own reports off your BC data to manage your company how you need. And we can also do customizations with this. So if you choose, we can go in and build individual customizable reports for you aside from these 6 different reports. And we can also train you on how to do that. So it's a really cool reporting package. Please reach out if you have any questions and we can get you some more information on what that fixed cost is based on the difficulty of how it runs. So.